Very good morning, guys. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. It's a very sunny day today. Like, there's not a cloud in the sky.
I hope it stays the same for tomorrow as well, yeah.
Tomorrow is a very big day. Like
Insane. We have what? We have we have cricket from 2 to 6. Then we have full sports ka Divanapan. He'll go crazy because
yeah,
there is India versus Pakistan.
which is the most epic battles after such a long time.
And there's one more epic battle better than that. That is Real Madrid versus Barcelona.
Not anymore, yeah. Barca is not in that great condition right now financially, so they don't have good players. So I wouldn't consider that a good battle.
And
now.
also F1.
F1 is another
Austin.
huge thing.
All these three, they start at 7:30 tomorrow Indian Standard Time.
So that means we need to have multiple devices which are, showing multiple different channels so that we can kind of
view everything together simultaneously.
Yeah, hopefully if that is possible by us. But what are we doing?
I'm actually planning to. I didn't tell you this, but I'm actually planning to watch all of us together. I mean, all the cricket batch together.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to be 15 members live streaming together. It's going to be a small party kind of a thing.
But where will you do it?
Villa pe.
Ah,
Projector, screening, order pizzas.
so that's a very big plan which we have for Sunday evening. For sure, it's going to be crazy
It's going to
about
be
the fun.
epic. But talking about that, we have to talk about this.
We have to, yeah, exactly. You see,
These two paintings are finally done. Look at them. They're like huge, massive. And right now we are going to give these paintings for framing because the client wants them framed as well. So they are not actually fitting in any of the cars. Even in the Safari we tried them, but they're quite too big, yeah, to fit. So we booked Porter. He's on his way. So before that guy comes here, we will
have to secure them a little bit.
Yes. Dude, you know what this is?
What?
I'm Sylvester Stallone from Expandables.
Are you serious, mate? No, that is called useless Chota brother. So we need to bubble wrap at least a couple of layers on either paintings and then keep it in the tum-tum so that they're at least a little bit secure because they're not going to be a far distance. It's going to be 8-9 kilometers. The worry for me is the place where we're going to actually get this framed. It's called CTC. And that place, we will not have enough place to keep a scooter, let alone take such huge paintings. So while this is packed and ready, we basically put a single layer of bubble wrap, wrapped it. This is ready and we're waiting for the porter service to come by. I would like to actually share about a very beautiful learning platform called Skillshare. All of us need to improve every day by learning something new and whenever possible.
Instead of lazing around, capitalize your free time by learning new skills. By saying this, we're actually very happy to collaborate with Skillshare, a platform not only to learn new hobbies but also to enhance your existing passions.
Skillshare is an online learning platform where thousands embark on their creative journeys in various fields like fine art, video, filmmaking, entrepreneurship, business, and many more.
As you guys already know that we have joined a class on video editing, and personally I've been using Skillshare for quite some time now and I absolutely love it, and I thought why not share this amazing community and its perks with Shraddha. As you guys already know that she's already an excellent painter, though she joined a class in acrylic painting by Ember Victoria to enhance her skills.
Annual subscription is very affordable. In this, you get access to unlimited classes, which are absolutely ad-free. And the best part is, it is at a price of less than 2,000 rupees a year. That translates to approximately 166 rupees a month. And you know what? We spend more money than that for our last food order online.
Also, we have a special offer for you guys. For the first 1,000 people who click on the link down in the description, will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So now is the time, guys. Join and learn what you've been wanting to learn all your life and join Skillshare.
Oh, it's proper, huh? You want some help there, bro?
That's okay. Oh yeah, hold that. Hold the camera, hold that.
And
No, you need to bend it, twist it a bit.
okay, yeah.
Hold on.
You wanna go up? I'm holding this, don't worry. और थोड़ा ऐसे करके I think we can lay it flat, right?
You want to lay it flat?
Or we can just put it that side एक, this side एक पूरा. नहीं. Put it यहाँ से पूरा incline.
That's what I'm doing.
हाँ. Perfecto. What's surprising is with straight, it doesn't go there also, eh?
Huh?
It hits that.
Yeah. It's quite big, dude.
You want to turn it around, yeah. Seriously? It doesn't turn? It turns.
Doesn't turn.
It just fits, right?
Doesn't turn.
Okay, I'm coming up. I am actually more tense than excited because I'm worried for the traffic there.
I told you we should be there by 10:30. As usual, Rohit is late.
I'm not late, okay? I'm not late generally, although. Oh, look, what are you talking?
You are late.
Chal.
Me and Aggie were down by 9:30. हाँ, see Dada. हाँ, कौन लेट करे बेटा? हाँ.
So basically,
Yeah, I'll
if
show
you
you.
see from the front, you can see the Tum Tum which is in front of us. उसके सामने जो Creta है, that is where Srujan is in. So we are 3 vehicles going in line basically in. पीछे वाले we are making sure that.
The paintings are safe.
Yeah, and very honestly, the person who's driving this
He's
is
driving very carefully. Very nice guy actually. बहुत अच्छे से drive कर रहा है, बहुत slowly, बहुत carefully.
We told him. I told him only once. Be careful. These are थोड़ा delicate items. Bas, that's all. And because we didn't put a lot of padding, we just put 1 layer of bubble wrap. We wanted him to go a little slow. And he was going so slow. In fact, I called him up, but I was like, "Bhaiya, thoda you can go faster in straight roads. You can be a little slower only on bumps." Well, so finally, we have arrived at this place. Both our frames are here, intact, safe and secure. So
Now we have to select frames.
yeah, Srijan has to run because he's pretty much put a car on the road. These options we have, which we are thinking of, this is going to be quite expensive. This I think is costing how much? 30,000.
30,500 each.
Yeah, so for a frame for that size, this sort of a frame will cost about 30.
Amazingly rich. I'll show you guys. See, look at this look, and then I'll put this, and look at it. How rich it is.
Yeah, so this is quite grand and quite humongous in size. So a frame like that would cost about 30,000 for such a painting. And
Yep.
something smaller, something like this, something basic for such a huge canvas is going to be 6,600 rupees. That's what it's going to cost us for this framing. So what are we going to put? We still don't know. The customer hasn't lifted the phone who's ordered these paintings. So we'll have to wait. We've sent him all the pictures with all the frames. Once he gives a confirmation, we'll give them a go ahead. You have to go with the frame depending on that. And these are just a few of the samples which they have, and they are a lot in number. So we are done with the work here. There's another very beautiful frame which we really liked. Again, these are heavy. This itself is quite heavy. So imagine a frame which is covering the entire painting. That's going to make it quite heavy after all this. It's going to happen, and once the framing is done, we'll see what the output will look like. You know what? We are back from the store. Paintings are here already. They are framed. And you know, by the time we came home, we got a package. And not sponsored, by the way, but we purchased. Our new shoes. These are basically TCX. Which model are these?
Baha.
TCX Baha. But
They have been rebranded.
rebranded by Royal Enfield, and they make it so much more affordable.
Yeah.
These-
Still, they're not that.
They're not that affordable. These costed us 21,000 a pair. So we've got 2. I've got these black ones for myself. Srujan, Kamina has got the color I like, which is brown, or should I say,
Oil.
yeah, oil slick, whatever you call this. This color is lovely. So which color did you like, the black or the oil? Let us know in the comments below. Hello! Yes, the paintings are ready.
Yeah, the customer wanted a sober frame. So yeah, we have selected a very sober, not too tacky. Yeah, ready to deliver.
Are you happy with the product finally?
Yeah,
How
I'm
the frames
very,
look, how the
very
paintings
happy.
look?
Hope you guys like it. And I'm doing the same painting, on a same concept for another customer. because he liked this concept and he ordered it again. So yeah, I'm so happy.
So
Hope
now-
you guys like it. I can do any.
You're happy the painting and the framing is done, but you're sad that the paintings are going.
Of course, honestly, I don't feel like giving it, but yeah, can't help.
We'll make one, but they're beautiful. Yeah, that's all. There's no other word to it except how beautiful these paintings came out.
Honestly, I should thank Vishnu that he trusted on me that I can do this kind of work. Thank you so much, Vishnu.
Chalo guys, this is pretty much it. So
This is where we'll end today's video, guys. So see you again in the next video. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.
peace out.